I'm Darren from Watercolour Mentor and welcome to Easy Urban Landscape Sketching. Urban sketching with line and wash is a fun way to create fresh and spontaneous works while enjoying some time outdoors. It combines the benefits of both ink drawing and watercolour painting. Urban sketching is a great way to learn and improve your drawing and painting skills. In this class, you'll learn how to transform day-to-day scenes that you observe into beautiful line and wash sketches that you can hold on to and treasure. This class is aimed towards beginners with 10 line and wash demonstrations which I'll help guide you through step by step. There are scans, drawings and tracing templates included for each demonstration in order to help you transfer your drawing quickly and easily. You can follow along to my real-time drawing and narration videos for all these demonstrations. In this class, I explain every technique I use while I'm painting, such as using watercolour to paint shadows on a building. I'll be going over the basics of line and wash sketching and show you how to sketch with a pen quickly and accurately using a variety of techniques. I'll talk about drawing lines in segments, hatching, using different sized nibs to your advantage. I'll also talk about what materials you'll need, your options, and which ones I use and recommend. If you have a pen, some watercolour paints and paper, then you're set to go. So join me in this class. Let's create some beautiful drawings and paintings that you can be proud of.